Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video from ngboss.com, and today we are unboxing the Infinix Hot S4 X626B. So this is the higher version of this Android mobile phone sold by the mobile brand Infinix, which is very popular in Nigeria, only contested with Tecno and Samsung when it comes to the Android market. This package was purchased off the Nigerian online store Jumia, and at the end of the video, stick to the end, we are going to tell you the price if you're wondering about that. Like I said in this video, this is the Infinix Hot S4. The Infinix range of devices and the Hot series has been, in production for a long time, and it's gotten up to the S4 series, which has a very high capacity, like a pro mobile phone. So this is not just for an Android beginner user, this is actually an advanced mobile phone in terms of the features it has, which we are going to get into very soon. This was produced in the year 2019, April to be specific, and this is how the pack looks when you unpack it for the first time. This has never been opened. As you can see, it's totally sealed. So when you purchase yours, make sure everything is sealed like this. So you're expecting to see in the pack an earpiece. Put it right here. We're expecting to see an earpiece, and what else? A USB charger, and also we're expecting to see the phone, of course, and an instructional manual. So peel this layer off. The USB cable, your charger, your manual, and of course your phone. So that's what we're expecting to see in the pack. With my scissors. Infinix S4 X626B. Remember, it has the B. The difference between this X626 and the X626B is this. If I should focus right now, it's the, you can see that there, 64 gigabytes. That's the main difference. The X626B has a 64 gigabyte internal memory, while the normal X26 has just 32 gigabyte memory. So when buying yours, make sure you tell the difference clearly before you pay for it. So let's see what's in the pack. I have the phone right here. I have a little instructional manual, like I said, and I have my earpiece, I have the charger and the USB cable. What else do I have here? It comes with a free protective covering. The casing for your phone covers the back of the phone, and it also comes with a free screen guard for the front of the phone. You might need to buy a more quality screen guard because, as you can see, this is very light and it's not made of glass. So this is just a temporary protection. I recommend you get a glass screen protector. So you might need to use this all the time to open your SIM tray, so make sure when you get this you don't throw it away with the pack. This is needed to open your SIM tray so you can insert your SIM card in the memory card slot. So you have the three of them at the back: SIM 1, SIM 2, and an SD card slot. Like I said, this is a 64 gigabyte memory device, but it can be extended up to 124 gigabytes if you install an external storage device. You have your volume controls on this side, and of course your power button on this side. Just your normal Infinix phone design. But the special thing about this phone that we want to call the main key features is the three cameras right here. This is what everybody's talking about. And the Infinix Hot S4 has three cameras right here, and of course an LED flash, which is standard. But the 3 cameras that it has here gives you a sharper, clearer, wide angle lens picture. And if you turn to the front, you have a camera right there. The front camera on this Infinix device gives you 32 megapixel of picture quality. So for your selfies, it will come out looking stunning. So that's what is awesome about this special device. Just the front 32 megapixel camera. It's not that no phone has ever done this, but this is very, very unique in terms of the Infinix range of devices. That's why the price also goes up a little bit. So at the back we have a smooth glossy finish, and this phone comes in 3 colors that you know of. This is the Nebula Blue. It also comes with the Twilight Purple, and of course the Space Gray. The battery on this device is the 4000 mAh battery. Let me put all this aside. 4000 mAh battery that is included in this device. Note, it is not removable, so don't try to remove that battery that comes with this device. So let me put this and clear my table. So I should pop out the SIM tray. You can see all your SIM 1, SIM 2, and of course the SD card slot. So all of them can enter all at once. So that's pretty cool. Unlike some devices where you either put a memory card or one SIM. That's the Infinix S4 X626B. Like I said, it's totally different from the normal X626, which only has 32 GB of internal memory. The chipset on this device is the MediaTek MT6762 Helio P22. So that makes it run faster and smoother, so you can run many applications, play large games with the octa-core 2.0 GHz Cortex A53 processor that is also backing it up. The RAM storage on this device is 6 GB of RAM. It's not 3, it's not 1, it's not 2, it's not 4, it's 6 GB of RAM. So for that amount of RAM storage, this device will run a lot of applications. You don't have to close one and open another. It will play large games. Of course, if you want us to do a gaming test, make sure you leave a comment below and we will do that just for you. So we have a fingerprint sensor behind. Let's not forget that. For your absolute security, you can register your fingerprints, whether it's this or this. So you can only unlock your device with your fingerprint or with a code. The Android version on this device is the latest Android 9.0, and it also includes the XOS 5.0, which has your default applications such as the cool Xender and other things that comes with Infinix phones that has the XOS 5.0. The screen you're looking at is a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus screen. So it's not that big. It's not a 6.5-inch screen, so it can fit perfectly in your hand and your pocket. It's not a very large, wide phone. And as you can see, the screen actually covers a large portion. About 89% of the screen is covered with your view. So there's an area for your buttons when you power it on. Since we have a battery inside, let's power it on and see. So you don't need to insert your battery. It's already inbuilt and cannot be removed. The battery also has a fast charging technology with your USB that is included in most techno phones these days. And like I said, this triple camera, I'm still going to take some pictures. You can see some sample pictures that people have posted, and if you want to see a better test of these cameras compared with other phones, let us know in the comment box. But this is just an unboxing video. We wanted to show you what's in the back, and let's not forget the price. If you're wondering what the price is right now, it goes for about 66,000 to 72,000 naira. That is Nigerian currency. If you're out of this country, if you're in US dollars, that's about 200 to 210 US dollars for the Infinix Hot S4 X626B. So if your price range does not go up to that, you might want to settle for the X626. That can give you about 150 US dollars. That's about 55,000 naira or 50,000 naira. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Soki Bricks, and this has been an unboxing video for the Infinix S4 brought to you by NGBuzz.com. Leave any questions, comments below in the comment box, and we'll get back to you. Bye bye.